Hello guys, welcome to Amazon TV. I hope you are okay. Guys, I want to speak to our fellow South Africans who are owning spaza shops, who are selling on the streets wherever you are trying to make a living. Please, South Africans who are owning tuck shops, who are selling on the streets wherever you are selling, trying to make a living, stop buying from these people. Stop stocking from their wholesalers. You will be unaliving your own people. Go back to our South African wholesalers where you were buying before these people arrived with their poison. Please, South Africans, don't make a mistake of ganging up with these people to finish your country, to wipe out all your people. Because you can see ukuthi laba bantu bakwi-mission bezele ukuzoqeda ngama-South Africans. They want to take over this country. Let's listen to these guys.
The head art because it should show the entire face. This is not an original document. This is a forgery. This is your own making. This is your decision. This is what makes you believe that you are legal here. This tells you that you are correct and you are not correct. This tells you that you think what you are doing here is correct.
And gives you arrogance.
And this gives you this arrogance you are displaying to me. This is an incorrect paper.
You think we are
this
friends,
tells me, myself and I, that this thing is forged. This tells me that it's a fraud paper that you are displaying here. And you are laughing. You think this country is a joke to you.
Of course, he is laughing because he knows that he will be arrested today, but tomorrow he will be back to continue to sell this poisonous stuff to South Africans. That is why we are saying stop buying from these people.
This is not the correct paper. I am telling you. And you are laughing. You think this country is a joke to you. This is not the correct paper.
Of course, he's laughing like this because South Africa is a joke to them. They know there is no law, there is no government, there is no president. The president that is in this country is their president, is the president of foreign nationals. Even after all this revelation, the president will tell them to go and register their shops.
Now I want to read to you that you are saying you are Emil Ahmed Mohammed Hussein. Hussein. Hi. All of you are Hussein. You are Hussein number 50 now. Because I've met 49 Hussein. So you are Hussein 50. I must go to Hussein 51.
I must go to class.
That thing says within 14 days. It's forged, this thing. Look, this thing is forged.
Where can start?
Where can start? No,
all of them. Where can start?
The smile is wiped off now.
Where can start?
The smile is gone.
So this guy is not getting the bus.
The smile is gone. Bring that guy. Where is he? Bring your papers here. Let me show you something. That you guys are forging papers. Come, let me show you. But today, look here.
You see how arrogant they are. The reason they are disrespecting these officials is because they know the president is on their side.
Look. You understand what I'm saying to you? Look at that ID and look at his ID.
Who's this one?
Who's this one?
This one. Where's the owner of this?
Where?
But it's you here, Mos.
So, not this one. Same person.
Yeah, this one is not you.
But it's the same person.
This one is not you. No, check the knife. But...
When you search, you don't tell us what to do. Jump.
These are the kind of officials we need in this country. This guy in black, not these police who are touching them as if they are touching a hot potato.
You're having a driver's license.
God, hey gentlemen, look, how do you have a driver's license from this country? Because you don't have an ID from this country. How do you have a driver's license from this country when you don't have an ID from this country?
Hayi engathi inkulu impi yama-Pakistani nama-Somali nama-Ethiopians. Yabona manje sebesishaya ngala abacabanga ukuthi iswiki ngakhona basingena ngey'ngane zethu manje. Sebeshaya lento abayibiza biological warfare into kanjalo. Yabona manje basishaya ngomqondo. Basincinza nje kancane lapha. Bafuna ukuqeda ngekusasa le country of which ingane zethu lezo. Before bebuya kithi. Ngoba uyabona lobutshwala thina esiphuza utshwala, yabona lobutshwala lobu osebuxhaphakile kanje bomgunyathi. Ibona thina bazosiqeda ngapha. While ingane zethu zona zibe yiqeda ngapha kulama chips nama snacks nama cake lawa abayidayisela bona anomuthi. Mina bengingathi bakwethu asiyekeni ukuthenga kulezi zitolo lezi. Asiyekeni ukuthenga kulezi zitolo. Nabafowethu laba abarana ama-spaza shops abayeke ukuthenga kulama warehouse abo lawa. Ngoba kwakhona lapha nasazi lezi zinto ukuthi bayikhanda.
We all know in this country where these people are getting their products. We see videos. They are manufacturing these things by themselves. They show us videos of how they are making their things with dirty hands. They are even putting their feet inside those things they are making there. So why our South Africans who are owning spaza shops pretending as if they don't know? Because we are all aware. We all know where these people are getting these products from. Even the Coke you are buying from these spaza shops, you know where it came from. The biscuits, everything, you know where these things are coming from. You will be lying if you come and say you don't know where these people are getting these things from. So why are you still going there to buy and sell to your own people? Why are you, as a South African, still sending your children to buy there? Guys, please stop doing this. Stop buying from these people. And if you continue as a South African, you are chasing us away from your own shop because we will be scared of these people's shop and we will be scared of your own shop if we know that you are still buying from there. And be very careful because you will be unaliving us. You will be unaliving your neighbors' children. You have to be careful of that.
And the government wethu akayinakile le. Zathi ingane zifa, upresident wethu wathi azibhaliswe itolo. Ukubhaliswa kwesitolo does it mean impahla ezizodayiswa kuleso sitolo leso zizoba of good quality just because isitolo is registered? Asibazi labantu ukuthi ba-order kuphi lezi zinto zaba bayidayisayo. But ugovernment wethu was quick to say labantu aba-register ama-tax shop wabo or ama-spaza shops wabo la. Ukuregister i-spaza shop, it doesn't prevent ukuthi kudayiswe izinto ezibolile because namanje bawa-register lawo ama-spaza shops wabo, but they are still selling lezi zinto ezi-expayile. They are still saying lezi zinto ezinomuthi ezibulala iy'ngane zethu, yet they are registered. So it didn't make sense kumina makuthiwa abakurejistwe ama-tax shops or kurejistwe lama-spaza shops lawo, because leyo nto leyo didn't prevent ukuthi udayiswe izinto ezibolile, yet iy'ngane zethu zisagula namanje. So le mpilena inzima kakhulu, le mpilena inzima kakhulu, ifuna thina qobo manje le, ifuna thina.
Yes, I'm thinking if I'm listening to this maleness, ukuthi if he was an Ethiopian, Bangladesh, Pakistani, these guys laba basiqedayo vele bebezobaqedela esibhedlela the way be-wicked ngakhona. Bona bebezosebenzisa this opportunity yokuba amanesi esibhedlela baqede ngathi khona laphayana ngemjovo. I'm not saying ukuthi we know ukuthi thina South Africans we are not like that. Sengiyasho nje ukuthi ngiyacabanga mayethi lempi isibhekene sekufanele ukuthi kube yabo manje ukuthi if vele bekwama-Ethiopians, if vele ube yi-Ethiopian, Bangladeshi, vele bebezoqeda bona ngathi ngemjovo khona laphaya esibhedlela nasemakliniki. But because we are not like them, we will never be like them. Angeke siyenze leyo nto. But if South Africans were wicked like them, bekuzoba njalo ngoba bawathanda namakliniki, bayithanda ney'bhedlela. Even nayo lento yabo yokuthi balale ema-tuck shop, if we were wicked like them, ngabe sibashisela phakathi laphayana ngoba siyazi ukuthi balala phakathi. Ngaba sasha onke lama-tuck shop ukuba besifana nabo. Njengoba bona benza beshisa ama-supermarket ama-South Africans, beshisa ama-tuck shop abo, beze bebulale even bona. But asizenzi zonke lezo zinto because asifani nabo, asisoze safana nabo.
So asiqapheleni bafethu, labantu laba they are in a mission.
Guys, you have to be very careful. Sisempini, angazi noma nibona ukuthi isisempini and the impi yakhona is very, very dangerous. Save our children, save the future of the country. These children are our children. These children are the future of this country. If you are still sending these children to those spaza shops, kusho ukuthi wena you are sacrificing these children kwi-altar yasebumnyameni. Guys, let me know what you think on the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe, to like and share the video. Love you guys. Bye.